Hello guys, so today we are going to learn how to make a surprise card for Christmas. So as we know, Christmas is very nearby and we want to make a surprise card. So let's do it. Let's see how we can do it. So first I'm going to take a yellow A4 size sheet of paper. So I had the yellow one, so I just took the yellow one. You can take any color of your choice. So first we are going to fold this into half, fold the paper into half, okay, and then we are going to roll it back. And now we are going to fold the paper from one corner to the middle, to the line where we folded the middle, like this, just like this, how you can see. So let's fold it on the other side also. Yeah, so we are going to do the same on this side even. Come on guys, subscribe. After this, we're going to fold this part of the edge into the middle line, towards the middle line. So it's going to go like this. So you just have to check in. You just need to make it smoothly and neatly. That's it. Yeah, so we are on the right track. So we are almost halfway done. So let's do it on the same, do the same on the other part as well. We are gonna fold it neatly. Yeah, so we are done on both sides. So our 80% of the surprise card is done. So it still looks weird, but yeah, the outcome is gonna be very good. So let's fold this corner to this corner, towards this corner. That's it. We're gonna fold it. Just do it how you can just see in the video. It's very simple, guys. So now we are gonna do the same on the other side. We're gonna fold this side also. Let's do it. Yup. Okay. Now what you can do is you can write anything over here. So you can write anything, whatever you feel like writing. So yeah, let's do it. You will need some sketch pens to write. So let me grab some sketch pens. So you can see. Subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now you are just gonna have to fold the upper part. Just leave a bit of space here. Just fold it till here, just like this, and then you fold this side also, like this. Then you just insert this part inside this. So our Christmas surprise card is ready. So we're gonna hold it here and just pull it from this side. So it's gonna look like this. Come on guys, subscribe. So this is the final result. Thanks for watching.